my lord, which was required to be made from.
Have you seen the last order, a detailed order?
हाँ, उसी के आधार पर सर जो इनसे डिमांड मांगना थी FSSAI से,
हाँ, तो हमने डिटेल्ड ऑर्डर दिया था, वो कौन सा ऑर्डर था?
सर ये ऑर्डर
9/11 मैडम,
9 का
9/11।
9
जी।
हाँ, क्या इसमें क्या डायरेक्शंस थे? आपके ऑफिसर्स आए हैं क्या?
हाँ आए
बुलाइए उनको।
जी।
भोपाल से कौन आया है?
भोपाल से आए बुला लो सबको।
देखिए इसमें जो है
जी
डायरेक्शन पेज नंबर 8 के बाद से शुरू हुआ है।
जी।
आपने पेश क्या किया है?
सर ये पहले on the last date of hearing the compliance report was filed, but since the request from the FSSAI with respect to supply of that food testing, milk testing machines and other funds for smoothly working of the department was not made. Therefore, on the last date, I prayed for time for filing the effective compliance report. Now we have filed that report and we have requested, my lord, the.
No, I don't want all these replies and formalities. I want
Sir,
that
so
what
far-
substantial work has been done.
So my lord's direction was, my lord, to make the spot milk and milk products testing.
Yes.
For that, my lord, Mr. Dwivedi suggested that there is milk testing machines which are required to be provided by the FSSAI. We have requested the FSSAI to supply
FSI
them.
will not give you for a song. It will ask, it will charge you.
हाँ वो इनको देना है सर।
तो देना क्या मतलब? जो आप परचेज करना है आपको?
हाँ वो फंड्स वगैरह सब यही देते हैं सर।
प्रोवाइड यही कराते हैं लोग से FSSAI वाले।
FSSAI वाले
को इवनिंग को इनको नोटिस मिला है तो उन्होंने केवल एक वीक का टाइम मांगा है कि उस पूरा नेटवर्क को निकाल कर और जो करस्पॉन्डेंस इन्होंने किया है उसकी कॉपी अवेलेबल करा दो।
I fail to understand why FSI should pay for the.
It is overall controlling authority, my lord, with respect to allotment of fund and all that.
लेबोरेटरी
Under the new Act 2000.
This is done by the government of India.
Indeed, yes. That's why my lord has issued the notices to this body, my lord, on the last date of hearing.
No, there were some more directions.
हाँ sir. So, my lord's direction was as to whether the state level meeting has been organized or not. That committee has been constituted. That has been constituted.
No, secondly, the collectors of remaining districts shall also ensure that constant checking of transportation of milk and milk products
This is going on, my lord.
supply at entry level
Sir.
and exit points of the districts in border areas as a regular feature to
Ji.
checkmate the constant problem of food adulteration.
Sir, this is going on.
Thirdly, the Chief Secretary of the State of MP shall ensure that each district of the state is provided with adequate number of mobile van testing units.
Yes. For this, my lord, the
Well
letter has been,
equipped,
request has been made to the FSSAI.
So they will not give you the mobile vans.
Sir, mobile vans are there. Now we have allocated the
No, how
fund.
many mobile vans do you have
मतलब
in
eight,
9 districts?
15 है टोटल मध्य प्रदेश में।
Madhya Pradesh में बताइए.
Total
It is so funny. How many districts do you have?
50.
I think close to 54 districts in Madhya Pradesh.
40 और मांगा है, 40 का और मांगा है
नहीं, एक बार रुकिए, समझिए बात को आप.
जी।
You have how many districts in Madhya Pradesh?
52.
Then, as against 52, you have only 14 machines. 15 machines. It's nothing. Every district should have a mobile testing machine units.
Yes, sir. For
Mobile
that,
van testing units. Every district should have.
Sir.
In this jurisdiction, my lord, one in Morena, one in Gwalior, and for Shivpuri, Ashoknagar, in
all these this is one.
No, we want there should be mobile van testing units for every district. At least we can order for these 9 districts falling in our jurisdiction.
Yes. So for that, my lord, it will be purchased soon because the funds have to be allocated by the FSSAI.
Huh.
So the remaining for 40 mobile.
No, even for the mobile van, you will get money from them.
Ha, sir. Everything we have to request them and they have to provide. They are providing it, my lord. They are ready to get it.
Huh.
That was your lordship's concern on the last date of hearing.
Acha,
That you have not moved
what about the labs?
The 3 labs, my lord, in Jabalpur, Indore and Gwalior.
No, how many labs are yet to
Only
be?
one lab in Bhopal we have. 3 labs are constructed. The civil work is almost complete.
Huh.
For
So
the
this lab is meant for forensic laboratory?
forensic.
No, but we are
Food, sir.
No,
Food
no.
testing.
Food testing or forensic?
Food testing. ये 3 जो है वो food
हाँ.
testing.
So what is the capacity of each lab?
इसका बता कितना है?
How many samples they would be able to test every day?
6,000 per year.
क्या मतलब हुआ 6,000 पर ईयर मतलब क्या हुआ 500 भी नहीं हुए आप एक महीने में
जी
500 टेस्ट करोगे क्या रोज कितने हुए
टेस्ट तो ज्यादा कर 200 के करीब एक जिले में
यानी
200
एक
तो
जिले में
500
आप डेली के टेस्ट भी 100 नहीं हुए
शायद से ज्यादा होगा तो आप
नहीं आप ये भाई ऐसा मत कराइए मिस्टर रघुवंशी आप उनको बोलिए हमको स्पेसिफिक एफिडेविट्स दें इशू को लेकर के वी हैव नॉट रिटन ऑर्डर फॉर द सेक ऑफ इट
नहीं ठीक है सर
वी वांट इम्प्लीमेंटेशन
जी
you do one thing
मैलो
you ensure affidavit being shown by each collector of
ठीक।
these 9 districts
ठीक है
in the context of directions issued on 9/11
ठीक है
and let it be parawise and let chief secretary also take a call to ensure that every district is well equipped
ठीक।
with mobile testing vans with sufficient number of labs if not every district at least there should be some more labs with for a cluster of districts
जी
and the efficiency of the lab should be not less than at least 200 samples you should test every day.
जी ज्यादा होगा बता नहीं पा रहे
They do not know anything.
At least for every division पर तो करना
इनको बुलाने का मतलब क्या हुआ ये लोग को खड़े हुए चुपचाप क्या कर रहे हैं कहाँ भोपाल से कौन आया है किस पद पे हो आप
सर फूड एनालिस्ट
हैं
फूड एनालिस्ट
तो कहाँ है मोबाइल वैन्स वगैरह
सर मोबाइल में अभी 15 ही हैं सर
कहाँ वहाँ पे लोहा खरीद रहा है बनाने के लिए उसको
नहीं सर
बन रही है
संभागीय लेवल पर हैं सर
तो कौन उसको जवाब देगा उसके बारे में
सर डीओ के पास है सर संबंधित जिले के डीओ के पास है
देखो ये डीओ हम सीधे पे चीफ सेक्रेटरी को बुलाएंगे हम बता दे रहे हैं तुम लोग बाबू लेवल के आदमी हो तुमको कुछ पता नहीं है अरे भाई देयर शुड बी सम रिस्पांसिबल पर्सन टू आंसर दिस क्वेश्चंस दिस आर पॉलिसी मैटर्स कोई ऑफिसर आया आपके साथ यहाँ पे कहीं भोपाल कोई ऑफिसर आया है
नहीं आया सर
Mr. Raghuvanshi, I am not happy with the manner in which they are responding to our orders.
we'll call for commissioner because he is the in charge
I am not asking for any specific person's appearance, but I want a responsible person should come and inform us
yes
regarding compliances.
Malo
I will not pass any order today.
Malo
You please give me, and I am telling you, let all collectors give affidavits as regards compliance of this order,
sure
whichever directions are required to be complied with at the district level. And remaining directions, either from
Sir,
chief...
for district level on the last date of hearing though we have submitted the affidavits of different collectors,
Today also they have submitted some
of
affidavits of the collector.
some collectors today also. But on a specific query made by my lord that
I
with
just
respect-
want to know what is the modus operandi adopted by each collector
Sir,
for spot checking
sir,
on exit and entry point of milk and milk products in a given district. That is one.
sir,
Number two, what are the frequency of raids conducted
sir,
in sweet shops or manufacturing units where milk products are being manufactured?
sir.
But what is the regulatory measures adopted so far in the matter of checking of adulteration? अब आपने पिछली बार भी देखा कि उन्होंने खोआ पकड़ा और पकड़ के उन्हीं को दे दिया, तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? वो अडल्ट्रेशन तो स्पॉट पे डिटेक्ट ही नहीं हुआ, और उस पर कोई सी चीज़ें कहाँ से कहाँ चली जाए, निकल जाए, सब्स्टिट्यूट हो जाए, वी डू नॉट नो. So such kind of checking has no meaning.
जी.
तो आप हर कलेक्टर से ये बताइए कि अभी जो भी उनके पास में सपोर्ट्स अवेलेबल हैं उसके स्ट्रेंथ पे क्या क्या कर रहे हैं, देन अवेयरनेस ड्राइव के लिए क्या किया है
Awareness drive के लिए sir, it is going on in
हाँ.
each district. The funds have been allocated in the compliance
वो
report
वो
filed.
हमको वो हमको दिखाइए.
हाँ, अभी आज हमने फाइल किए कंप्लायंस रिपोर्ट, उसमें
हाँ,
प्रत्येक जिले को वो दे दिए हैं सर, फंड्स अलॉट कर दिए हैं. जो मोबाइल यूनिट्स वर्किंग में नहीं थी उनके लिए फंड्स अलॉट कर दिए हैं. कुछ कर्मचारियों की इनकी डिमांड थी, वी हैव मेड दैट द
तो हमें डिटेल्स
कर्मचारी.
दीजिए. अभी आपने व्हाट इज द कंप्लेंट मैकेनिज्म, ग्रीवेंस सेल क्या है,
वो देयर आर 3 मैकेनिज्म अलॉट
तो हमको
प्रोवाइडेड इन टर्म्स ऑफ
आप
ऑर्डर.
दिखाइए कहाँ कौन सा एफिडेविट आपको
ये
बता रहे हैं.
पहले सर, ये पहले सबसे पहले ही दिया जा चुका है. 3 है सर,
हाँ,
3 का. एक तो सीएम हेल्पलाइन है, 3 ऑनलाइन है, और इस पे इनका 2 पे तो आइडेंटिटी भी वो रखी जाती है सीक्रेट.
मिस्टर द्विवेदी, what kind of more directions you want from us?
Malad, there are two things, Malad. First, Malad, that it is not entirely center's responsibility to provide fund. This is not the scheme of the act. Malad, they both have to provide. Malad, this is not correct that everything has to be provided by the FSSI. Malad, they have to arrange for the funds also. It is their responsibility also. Some part may be contributed by the central government, but not everything. It is.
You, you do one thing. You file an affidavit and let us know the ground reality. How much money will you contribute for the purpose supply of these vans or testing instruments, and how much government is supposed to pay? Let us know. In the meantime, Mr. Raghuvanshi, you please give affidavit of each collector,
Sure.
if not already given. If given, we will not ask for repetition.
ठीक है.
If not given, you please supply the file the affidavits.
Well,
But the main affidavit will be of FSSI. FSSI, na?
जी.
To let us know that and who will assess how many mobile testing vans are required. Who will assess?
उनका कहना
ये
ये
तो
तो
यही
कि इनकी डिमांड पे वो केवल इनको जो है
आप समझिए बात को.
स्ट्रक्चर्स जो है
मैं दूसरी बात पूछ रहा हूँ कि 52 जिलों में कितनी मोबाइल टेस्टिंग वैन्स होनी चाहिए, इसका असेसमेंट कौन करेगा?
Malad, Commissioner Food Safety, Malad, who is the head of the state
जिसको
in
state
food
government-
department.
अच्छा, मिस्टर रघुवंशी जी, ये पता करके बताइए आप.
जी सर. Actually, my lord,
Section
Mr.
30
Dovedi is right to some extent. In the state, it is the commissioner under the Act of 2006 who is responsible. But this Act provides, my lord, the controlling mechanism with the FSSAI. I am not fasting the liability, but the fact is that we will assess, and then they have to see that the Act's provision are implemented in a strict manner.
So, see, it is between you and FSSI.
Yes, yes.
Now you have to take a call.
We have
number
to
one.
work in
See,
coordination.
you have to first find out
My lord.
your commissioner food civil supplies
Sir.
that how many mobile testing vans
Sir.
are required in entire state of Madhya Pradesh.
But one each, my lord, for district.
अभी तो आप ही जवाब दे रहे हो कि वो जवाब दे रहे हैं, कौन जवाब देगा?
नहीं, उन्होंने उसी के हिसाब से मांगा है इनसे. But I'll give that.
उनका हलफनामा लगा दीजिए आप.
ठीक है सर, ठीक है.
कि साहब हमारे यहाँ 52 जिले हैं, 52 जिलों में हमें हर जिले में एक मोबाइल टेस्टिंग वैन चाहिए.
जी सर.
It is already on the board.
हैं?
It is already, today they have filed this,
हाँ.
asking for 40 mobile testing
More.
labs, my lord. 40 more, 15 they have, so it will be 55.
So now therefore who will provide funds for purchase of these mobile vans?
What they are saying, my lord, they have demanded from FSSI. Whereas, my lord, to some extent they have also to contribute. State has
We
to
do not, we do not know.
So they should respond to this.
Huh? Where from funds will come?
So let FSSAI may reply, my lord. And in case there is provision with respect to contribution, we'll ensure that contribution on the part of state government is provided so that
But
everything.
you are in a best position. You are the state.
Yes. So since we
FSI is the central body.
since we have requested the state body, my
So
lord.
I would like to know what is the correspondence between you and the FSSI.
Oh, that I have included, my lord, along with the compliance report filed today. But Mr. Sharma says that he will respond it because only in the yesterday night he has received that from the FSSAI.
Huh.
So he will respond. His instruction is, my lord, from the central body that he will respond after 7 days. So let him file
I will
the
do one
affidavit.
thing.
In the meantime, I will also.
You do 2 or 3 things.
My lord.
Let him do whatever he wants to do.
My lord.
Then you talk to your commissioner food
My lord.
regarding mobile vans,
Sir.
regarding that instrument,
Sir.
regarding the roadmap for uniform module to spread its awareness and complaint or grievance resolution mechanism.
Sir.
Because it should not be it may be district wise,
Sir.
but the policy should be made by the state level
Uniform.
for the purposes of uniformity. So mobile testing vans,
Sir.
instruments, publicity, complaint or grievance resolution mechanism, and also as regards these checks in routine manner
Sir.
either at exit and entry point of milk and milk products in a given district,
Sir.
as well as the manufacturing of milk and milk products in a given district.
Then most of them are fulfilled, but I'll give the composite affidavit on the from.
No, I want Commissioner Food because ultimately I will catch hold of him only.
Yes, sir.
If collectors are not working, then I will ask him, what have you done
Someone
against
has to be
collectors?
responsible in the state.
So there should be at least, since it's a menace which is across the state.
Well,
So we need to talk to the state head
yes.
as to how he intends to checkmate such kind of menace which is prevailing in the entire state.
Yes.
Because each collector will say, sir, हमने एक कमेटी बना दी. लास्ट टाइम भी क्या उन्होंने हमने 10 कमेटियां बना दी.
This time also they are saying
ये कमेटी बनाने का काम ही मतलब हुआ सब कंफ्यूजन. वी वांट रिजल्ट्स.
इस बार तो संभाग लेवल पे भी वो बना दी सर.
We want result, and there should be periodical checks also by the higher authorities as to what
that is done
as regards the ground reality.
District level under the chairmanship of collector, and at the state level the chief secretary is the head of the these committees.
So let us see what have they done in the meetings.
So but that meetings, the last meeting minutes I have produced.
You please show me what chief secretary has deliberated with the district collectors.
Chief secretary साहब.
When did she call the meeting?
ये सर हुआ 5/1/2024.
Now the chief secretary was present.
हाँ chief secretary.
So what has she decided?
अच्छा प्रोसीडिंग आया नहीं है
ठीक
सर
है क्या?
केवल बोल
कुछ नहीं है वो
5-1 को लगा है नहीं
आप-
हुआ है मीटिंग हुआ है
नहीं मीटिंग हुआ है तो आप बताओ तो मेरे को
हाँ उसका प्रोसीडिंग पेश कर
I want things to be should flow from the chief secretary level or
जी, sir.
from the commissioner food.
Sir, under the apex court judgment, it is the chief secretary's committee headed by the chief secretary which will look after the entire state and will review all the things.
Absolutely.
And in the district, at the district level, it is the collector's chairman.
So therefore,
That the committees have been
the why I am insisting upon this
Madam.
because my question is in conformity with Supreme Court directives.
Yes, sir.
Number one. Number two, if the state top functionary
Madam.
has issued a mandate,
Then why
then we will ensure that each is implemented by every district. And if collector is not working on the same lines,
Sir.
then he will be hauled up.
Yes,
So you please let the papers flow from the state level, from Bhopal
yes, sir.
to all the districts. What kind of instructions have so far been issued in compliance with Supreme Court directives
Yes,
and also our orders also. Because ultimately the direction in Supreme Court judgment is applicable to all the states
sir.
and you are no exception to it.
Yes,
We are only trying to ensure that those directions are implemented.
yes,
So you please let there be an affidavit by a responsible officer from the office of the Chief Secretary
sir.
as well as that of the Commissioner Food himself.
Yes,
File affidavit in the context of compliances of the order passed by this court and also that of Supreme Court.
ठीक.
And my lord, section 30 subsection 2 also mandates all this, what my lord has said. Functions of the commissioner are given and all these functions.
So let us see, they are expected to know the law because I am not going to rely upon these ministerial staff people. They are only here to say that कलेक्टर साहब ने कमेटी बना दिया है और हम लोग वहाँ गए थे और ये देखा था वो देखा चले आए वहाँ से वैसे वो मुँह से आवाज़ तो निकलती नहीं है और बने फूड ऑफिसर हेल्थ ऑफिसर हो क्या हो तुम वहाँ पर
सर फूड एनालिस्ट सर
Food
हाँ
analyst.
नहीं तुम्हारे पीछे जो खड़ा जैकेट पहने हुआ कौन आदमी है
सर फूड सेफ्टी ऑफिसर
हाँ ये फूड सेफ्टी ऑफिसर है अपनी सेहत बनाते रहते हैं वहाँ पे आप जब मिस्टर जोशी प्लीज टेक इट ऑन सीरियस नोट
जी सर,
बिकॉज हम नेक्स्ट टाइम आई विल नॉट टुडे आई एम नॉट पासिंग एनी ऑर्डर
जी सर,
आई एम ओनली एट योर रिक्वेस्ट एंड रिक्वेस्ट मिस्टर अनिल
जी सर,
आई एम डिफरिंग द हियरिंग फॉर 1 वीक
जी सर.
10 days के लिए
10 days हाँ
तो लॉर्डशिप को जो कॉपी जो है
हाँ, मैं
इन्होंने
मुझे कुछ नहीं पता आप मुझे आप करिए ना हो तो इनसे प्राप्त करिए आप Shri so and so appearing for the newly added respondent number.
रेस्टोरेंट के एफएसएसआई के लिए अलग से
नोटिस ही जारी किया.
नोटिस जारी किया
She so and so has entered appearance for
एफएसएसआई
full form लिख के भेजो
Safety
दो
and Standard Authority of India.
हाँ वो फुल फॉर्म दे दीजिए उनको फिर रेफर कर दीजिए ना इन रिस्पॉन्स टू ऑर्डर पास बाय दिस कोर्ट ऑन सो एंड सो डेट किस तारीख डेट में ऑर्डर हुआ था
712.
7/12 full stop. 2 weeks time has prayed for is granted to file response. Full stop. Shri Raghuvanshi, Additional Advocate General, is also directed that directed to place on record the record deliberations, if any, done at the meeting, at the meeting headed by Chief Secretary, and also details of implementation of the orders passed on Supreme Court as well as this court on various occasions, on various dates. By the Commissioner Food and Food Safety,
food safety. Food
Commissioner
safety.
Food Safety, Bhopal, on what's up? the aforesaid informations should be placed on record on affidavit to be sworn by a responsible officer from the office of the Chief Secretary and also as well as by the Commissioner Food Safety himself before the next date of hearing. Call out on 2 हफ्ते बाद लगाइए. डेट बताइए बाबू साहब.
24 आज के 22 वाले वीक 24 25
24 जनवरी. आपको बुलाना तो नहीं है उसको, कमिश्नर को फूड सेफ्टी को?
As my lord, we'll see if the affidavit is not.
Well, they are of no help to us.
I'll
इनको
see.
हमारा कोई मतलब नहीं है इनको. Well, ultimately we want decisions at the state level
Sir.
which should be uniformly implemented by each district.
ठीक.
That is our purpose.
Okay.
इन सभी अपीयरेंस को एग्जाम कर दो. चलिए हैं.
Recently, apart from milk, my lord, here in particularly in this region, my lord, adulteration of edible oil is also.
Actually, it is not only milk products.
Yes, my lord.
It is a adulteration in all consumable items.
And my lord, several news reports are there regarding adulterated edible oil.
So you are there. Let the affidavit come of the food safety officer, Commissioner Food Safety, and also the affidavit of the officer in the office of the Chief Secretary. What has she done? We will consider. You know everything we have talked about. You please ensure all these facts are before us.
Well.
Yes.